Starting on a platform like FeetFinder can feel like a lot. Messaging, uploading, staying consistent, it adds up fast. But what if someone could handle the busy work for you? That's where personal managers come in. If you're serious about boosting sales, freeing up time, and staying focused on content creation, this is your secret weapon. Let's break it all down. Your personal manager on FeetFinder is here to make your life easier and your sales smoother. Here's what they take care of. Messaging buyers. They handle all the communication, responding to inquiries, negotiating custom offers, ensuring good vibes with your fans, and increasing your engagement rate and online presence. Uploading content. Just drop your pics and videos into the vault. Your manager takes it from there, organizing and uploading into albums. Organizing your vault. Managers keep your content tidy and ready to post. The cleaner the vault, the smoother the sales. Now let's get some boundaries. Managers do not create content for you, touch your finances or handle your payouts, message anyone outside of FeetFinders, change your pricing or policies without you saying so, offer personal strategy advice, but they'll follow your instructions, edit your profile, they'll only suggest changes. You stay in full control. Think of them as support, not a replacement. If you're juggling uploads, busy with DMs, or simply trying to stay consistent, a manager can be your game changer. Maybe you're traveling, balancing school or work, or just wanting to focus on creating. Whatever your pace, a personal manager helps you look professional, stay active, and avoid burnout. Whether you're just starting up or scaling up, a manager keeps your hustle flowing without missing a beat. Signing up is simple. Head over to FeetFinder's manager subscription page, choose your plan, and you're paired with someone who understands your hustle. The more content you keep in the vault, the more they can help you sell. If you're ready to level up your FeetFinder game without doing all the behind the scenes work, a personal manager is the move. Keep your energy on creating, let them handle the inbox, and watch your earnings grow. Like this video if you're ready to work smarter. Leave your questions in the comments. If you're thinking of adding a manager, and don't forget the sign up link is waiting for you in the description. Let's boost those sales stress free.